Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully, and if this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, I'm making butterscotch brownies for Scott's birthday. We call them Butterscotchies. I haven't made them in a long time, but I have a note at the top of the recipe card that they're for Scott, and the kids love them too. And you know, if it made it to a recipe card, being card worthy is what we call it, then it must be good. This is a fail-proof, easy recipe using a lot of ingredients you already have on hand. Start with 6 tablespoons of butter melted, add a cup of brown sugar and an egg, and a tablespoon of vanilla. Stir this up, and I especially like this recipe because you don't have to break out the mixer. Just use a spatula or a spoon to whip this up, then add the flour, baking soda, salt, and also the recipe calls for baking powder too. I didn't have any of that, so I left that out, and it turned out good, but I think it's better to follow the recipe. So if you have that, add that in, mix it up. Add your butterscotch chips and put it in a greased 8x8 pan. Mine is actually an 11x7 pan, but it's still smaller than a 13x9. I don't think you should use a 13x9. Definitely use a smaller pan. I'll have the details in the description box below for you. Then you bake it at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. We celebrated with the kids at the Mexican restaurant, and I packed some of these treats up in Ziploc bags for the kids to take home after dinner. If you're already subscribed, thank you. We are super grateful for our subscribers. If you're new, we hope you'll consider subscribing. We post new videos every week on different topics, mostly centered around family and home and fellowship, with some travel vlogs and shopping hauls too, decorating, organizing, a little bit of everything. And through our videos, we hope to share our gratitude with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.